Good morning, guys. Let's go over Ethereum today. Well, if you guys saw the Bitcoin video, guys, Bitcoin is not doing great, and I really believe, guys, this is the time to be getting your money into altcoins. Let me show you guys this real quick. This is what I'm rendering right now for you guys on YouTube. Bitcoin dump it by 88 EOS and alts. I'm up $22,000 in the last 10 days with alts, and I showed this to you guys in my account. Now, our break even is 150,000, but we are up $22,000 in the last 10 days alone. And I don't own a single ounce of Bitcoin over here. I'll show you guys a little bit more in this video. I know this might be a little bit of a repeat for those of you guys who watch the Bitcoin video, but if you guys are buying the alts instead of Bitcoin, like the two that we've been talking about for a long time here, it's our number 2 holdings is EOS and Cardano. These two are doing the best out of all the altcoins that I can find. There are some others out of the ones that we trade here, but guys, altcoin season it's not here. It has already begun. So I hope you guys have some money and some alts. We're going to talk about that today. Okay, we are currently sitting at 112 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. And if you guys want to join us, our membership link is below. You guys will get access to all the entries as well as all the metrics you guys will see for all of the coins today. I'll show you guys that in a second. Let's go over the indicators we have first. The trend dashboard is majority green. This shows me that this higher low formation here is most likely going to see a pump back up here because retail traders are going to continue to buy it this morning. Okay, we see trend exhaustion moving down here. If we see trend exhaustion at the low point here and well money flow is still low here, what I'm going to watch for is for this market to start moving back up here because these are going to be synced up. When these are both high, trend exhaustion high and well money flow are high here, guys, this is where you need to look for moves back down. When they're both low here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow at a lower level, you need to watch for moves back up. We are getting both of those. We even saw the move called for a drop here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. We saw them move back down here. And then we start moving into areas like this where trend exhaustion is high. Multiple times we are seeing moves down here before it happens, moves down here before they happen, and so on and so forth. Everybody who got into scalping positions, you guys made your 3 to 4%. So great job. Anybody who took the scalping position over here when the emotional index on Ethereum was anxious, you guys can see this down over here. When that was down at those areas, trend exhaustion was low, well money flow was low. You guys easily made all of your scalping trades, and every scalping trade you guys took down here, you've won all of them. Our main strategy is the one that you guys see on the videos. We use 4 big buy limits, and we basically just manage this until we're back in the profit. And this is how we have the healthiest YouTube account right now. We've never lost a single trade. So awesome. Make sure you guys are getting these indicators. They are the cheapest we have ever had them today. Literally, you guys have 8 days left and we're going to be upping the prices of these indicators. So make sure you snag them. This is what you guys need to be using to use our scalping strategy as well as to trade with us, okay? Just amazing indicators, by the way, to call pumps and dumps in the market. Let's now go over and talk to you guys. I want to show you guys these metrics here. Currently sitting, like I showed you guys, 112 wins and 0 losses, $95. This is all it costs, guys. This is EAT. This is EAT. It's almost a different language there. This is it. The metrics I'm going to show you guys will see on all 12 of our coins. The Telegram channel access is going to give you access to all of the updates I do, guys. Every time I exit a trade, when I move a stop loss, when I take 50% out of the market, when I enter into a trade, everything is documented over there. Even the win rate. Some people look at the YouTube thumbnail and they're like, nope, there's no way you're 112 wins. Yeah, we really are. Look at the YouTube channel has video proof, and we also have proof of it in the Telegram channel. And once you guys understand how you spread out buy limits, you can understand, yeah, it's actually impossible, almost impossible to ever lose a trade, how we're trading over here. All the masterclass videos you guys get access to, and we're going to go live in Zoom here next month on April 14th with everybody, and it's going to be just a blast. We're having so much fun over here. Go to the crypto charts, go to Ethereum charts, and let's dive in here. These are going to update in literally, actually these are already updated, so this is fresh data we're working with right here, 8 a.m. Okay, the emotional index is sitting in the greedy section here. Last time we were greedy, we saw the market drop pretty well. Okay. The time before that, we saw an overextension in the market, and then we saw the big drop, but then before that, we saw greedy and we saw this market move down. Point being is this is an overextended market. A lot of people are looking at this. Can I take you guys for a second to go look at the other global markets? S&P 500 is absolutely exploding over here. Okay, the 500 largest companies in the world is exploding. Well, money flows is high, and trend exhaustion starting to move down. The S&P 500 is due for a drop. Okay, just know this, okay? S&P 500 is due for a drop. I'm going to take you guys over here now. We're going to look at the futures contracts, okay? The futures did break this descending resistance line over here, and as far as the global markets go, this is actually pretty bullish as well. So as long as this keeps moving up, and guys, if we hit all-time high up here, all I'll say is I really hope you guys bought altcoins. I really hope you guys bought altcoins because those are the ones that are going to be ridiculous and they're going to pump. Bitcoin is not holding suit to altcoins. Let me give you guys some data that I've already figured out here. If you guys look at Bitcoin from March 13th until now, it's gone up 13%. If you look at ADA, it's gone up 35%. Okay, it's pretty ridiculous how much. Look, let me just show you guys another reason here. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Even Ethereum on here from March 13th. Let me pull this over just a little bit to March 13th so you can see this. March 13th to now. Okay, we've got 19%. Even on Ethereum, you're making more than Bitcoin. And let me just. I gotta show this to you guys because a lot of you guys, if you have money in Bitcoin, you're like, I'm diehard Bitcoin. Okay. If you're diehard Bitcoin, you guys are right now sitting up. Let's call this. Can we call this 13%? Let's just call it 13% to make this easy. Okay. 13% on Bitcoin. If you're here to make dollars and you're here to make USD, I would be getting into coins, coins like EOS. That's up 34% right now. And market cap's moving into EOS by the millions. ADA, so 34%. Okay, you made 20% more. Look at ADA continue to increase this morning, up 37%. It has now outperformed EOS. How are you going to take advantage of this? If you guys watched our masterclass video that I did about diversification, this is where I told you guys the account balance immediately did better. When you get diversified into multiple coins, like I am over here, and my portfolio is open to the world. You guys can see this. All these coins we're in right now, I don't hold any Bitcoin. Everything is put over here, and even Ethereum is actually fairly low over here. Where's Ethereum over here? Where'd you go, Ethereum? Ethereum is actually down here at this spot. So I've got more Polkadot, Chainlink, Solana, Doge, Cardano, and EOS. These have always been my number 2 picks, and these are the number 2 coins that are exploding right now. I think these are incredible coins to get into and keep holding. Okay, I'm sorry it's taking a little bit longer, but some of you guys are watching this video and you're pondering right now. You are literally seeing videos come out and you're like, ADA is pumping, EOS is pumping, the altcoins are pumping, you've got all your money in Bitcoin. I'm not your financial advisor, but altcoin season is already started. Altcoin season has already started. You've already made 20% more and we've made $20,000. We've made $22,000 in the last 10 days. We are up by not trading Bitcoin. Okay? All right, let's continue. So long over short trades, we see, this is interesting. Long trades moving out over here for Bitfinex and short trades moving out as well. I think people are at this level where they see this resistance. So everybody write this down. $3,000 is what I was talking to you guys about before. This $3,000 level is most likely going to act as a resistance and move us back down a little bit. Okay? Here's the thing, guys. The altcoins don't have to move with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't let anybody convince you of that. It's preached too much online. I got to just go off on a little rant here real quick. Bitcoin and Ethereum do not move all the markets all the time. Okay, look at 88. This is up. So basically, if Bitcoin drops anymore, we're going to go negative today. And you're up 10.47% today. And Bitcoin's making a higher low and 88 is just blasting off to the moon. It's not going to the moon, by the way. It's just going to go up here a little bit, okay? This is why it's so important to be diversified in the market. And just because Bitcoin goes up doesn't mean the other altcoins have to go up either. Look at this here. The market cap strength for Ethereum. I'm actually more bullish right now on Ethereum than I am Bitcoin. Why? Let me prove it to you guys. Come in here and scroll in a little bit. It's closer here. Do you see what's happened over the last 3-4 days? This green line, this is market cap of Ethereum relative to the overall market. Market cap is increasing. Let me take you guys back over. This is why you guys want to access these charts. It's so fun to go back and forth between these. Look at Bitcoin. Market cap moving down. Undisputable evidence. This is not biased data. People are pulling their money. Institutions and whales are pulling their money out of Bitcoin. They are selling their Bitcoin, everybody, and they are buying altcoins. Okay, is it loud enough? All right, I'm sure some people are going to watch this and going to be like, oh, I didn't believe you, but now that, literally, we're showing data that you cannot argue against. This is literally data showing the market cap of Bitcoin relative to everything else. And money and the whales are pulling out of Bitcoin, and they're shoving their money into Ethereum and other altcoins like ADA and like EOS. Okay, let's move down here. Trades in favor here, we're seeing that we're sitting up here into the good short trade area. So this makes sense. We're at a structure resistance of $3,000. We had trend exhaustion pretty high here. Well, money flow is not that high though. At this moment right now, guys, this is what's happening in the market, and it's getting people a little nervous. I can see this, and we don't have anything to worry about. We're already in trades. If you guys follow I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup for Ethereum. You won't be worried about if we go up or down. I'm not worried, and this is how we're making money. I'll show that to you guys, but watch this. Here's what's happening right now. You've got institutions. Let me move down here. Look at this. You've got institutions and smart money looking to short this because they know it's overextended, and we're at a resistance though. But let me tell you something. Wells institutions do not always get their way. They do the majority of the time. Let's be honest. The majority of the time, institutions and whales, they will get what they want. Short trades coming out here, the market dropped. Short trades came out right here, the market dropped. Short trades came out right here, pushed us into a bear market. Short trades came out here, the market dropped. Short trades came out here, the market dropped. Okay, do they get what they want? Short trades, market drops. Short trades, the market drops. Yes, they get what they want, but there are times when short trades will come out, and if the market starts moving back up here, guys, this is where the market can absolutely explode. And so what I've been telling you guys is over here, there was a pressure point of short trades coming out in the market, and if the stop losses were hit, this is going to be a short squeeze, all right? If Ethereum right now, short trades coming out over here, looking at this, and this is on the overall market. If we go up over here, let me show this to you guys real quick over here. Short trades, yes, they're moving down, but there's still short trades in the market. Okay, you guys need to understand that. It's not that short trades are gone. Like, there's definitely short trades still in the market because we can see it's elevated here. So everyone trying to go short right now, if this market actually blasts above $3,000, you realize every one of those short trades, they're going to get their stop losses hit and they're going to be forced to go long. That will pump the market up even more. That is why right now, people who are trading this in and out, they're having a hard time. Those of you guys who are trading with us and we're just holding to get into profit, this is where we're getting extremely successful. And this is why you guys want to be trading with us. Not to like say, oh, here's why, but like really, man. You need to get a membership and sign up, guys. This is so much fun. And let me show you a trade setup on how to get into this, and you guys can trade Ethereum here. It doesn't matter if it goes up or down. I'll show you guys this. Watch. Resistance, $3,000. Awesome. Next resistance I'm looking at is up here, and it's at this level of about 3250. Okay, it's just structure high up here that we're probably going to hit. I want to move us down here a little bit faster. Dollar cost average entries. All of you guys who took this, here's the thing. If you let's say you guys have $10,000. Let's just pick an easy number here. If you got $10,000 and you're like, hey, I want to throw out. My favorite coin is Ethereum, by the way. Not me. I'm just pretending this is John Doe out there. My favorite coin is Ethereum. I got $10,000. I want to throw in $1,000 every time I get a green line because I'm a dollar cost average hodler for life. Awesome. This metric is the best one we can find. Better than Sentiment, better than Glassnode, better than CryptoQuant. Guys, I've had memberships with all of them. This one down here will get you guys into incredible dollar cost average entries if you just want to watch this every morning, even the weekends at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of our metrics and charts update on the website. Like all of them, over 60 of them, okay? When this happens, you guys can just hold for the long term. Now, if you guys ever want to exit those long-term trades, and this will get you into a trade setup right after this, watch this metric. When this starts moving up here, watch for the red bars to come out, and then you guys are going to be watching for the drop back down. This is done very well for us for getting us out before we see drops back down. We are going to use this when we're back in the profit for Ethereum because this is my exact break-even entry. It is 33.83 with hundreds of you guys. This is our break-even entry, and we're starting to move back up here, okay? So watch that. All right, a trade setup for Ethereum. Let me show this to you guys. I'm going to show you this to you on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our members, but I'll show you how to access this, and I'm going to show you how to on Bitcoin. So go to the Bitcoin chart, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and let's go over this. Okay, here's how you trade this, and this is how we've won every single one of our trades. All of them, okay? All 112 wins, and we're about to hit 13, 14, and 15 on Avalanche, Matic, and Mana, which is Decentraland. Here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to see 4 yellow lines on Ethereum this morning on our chart. This is it's somewhat like this. It's obviously not where they are. You're going to see 1 sell them in green. Take the amount you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Place the $250 at each of the 4 buy limits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll have the prices for you. And then once the first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here for 100% exit of the trade in case we just skyrocket up and it goes up really fast. Now, the Telegram channel is where I'm going to give you guys all of my calls. You guys, a lot of you guys watching this are like, look, I get it. I'm convinced. The metrics are awesome. I'm getting the metrics, and now I want to never lose a trade again, possibly. Mark me down for a loss, guys. I'm not saying we'll win all of them, but here's what you guys can do. Just copy everything I'm doing. Get into the Telegram channel after you guys have your membership. Let me just walk you guys. If some of you guys are brand new watching this, sorry, I have Grammarly on my computer because I'm not the greatest speller, so sometimes it pops things up. So pricing. Once you guys subscribe to this, what I want you guys to do after this, look at the metrics, get your trade set up, but go over here and go to the Telegram channel and click this, and it will give you guys a hot link, and it'll join you guys right into the Telegram channel. That's where you really want to be. That's where I'm making all the calls of entries and exits for all the coins, okay? Last but not least, guys, do not miss this. Our indicators are what you need for the scalping strategy I teach you in the master classes, and master classes for all of you guys are right here. So you guys can click this and watch all 8 of them, all right? The indicators we're using for all the strategies we're using here. You guys are going to get this for 84% off. This is the biggest discount we have ever had. It is cheaper than the Black Friday sale we did last year. I know the bear market is present, and so I made this ridiculously cheap for everyone so they could snag this right now. That's why we did it. So we lowered it from we were literally like over 80% off before this, and now I lowered it even lower. So this is the cheapest we've ever had our indicators. This is going to be going up in price in 8 days. Do not miss this. At the end of this month, you will not be able to snag it for this price. This is the lowest we've ever had it. We will never have this bundle pack lower than this price again. Get them. They're in the description. Click this link. Use coupon code MARCH. Uppercase, lowercase, does not matter. You're going to get the 3 indicators that I use on every YouTube video and that we use on all of our analysis in the Telegram channel, as well as you're going to get 6 other indicators for the same price, and you're going to get 2 Forex indicators, and these are absolutely incredible, guys. I've had the COO and the CMO of TradingView.com reach out to me and try to purchase indicators I've made in the past. I said, sorry, guys, you know what? I'm going to keep it for my members, so I'm giving you guys this. This is a one-time purchase. You guys get the source code as well to the indicator, so nobody can take these indicators away from you guys once you have them. They are yours forever, okay? Best deal in indicators you will ever get, and these indicators have helped us have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and possibly all of crypto at 112 wins in a row and 0 losses. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Watch what's happening with these markets and the metrics once you guys have your membership, and then make sure you guys are watching this. Yes, I do think we could see Ethereum start moving down here a little bit over the next, 1 to 2 days because the resistance is here, but if it's not, it will be a short trap, and here's what you guys need to do. Just hold your trades. Just hold them. All you guys got to do is hold your trades. Those of you guys getting into the trade setup with 4 different buy limits, once your first one is hit, if we move up, you guys can exit with me. I will call an exit in Telegram for everybody who gets a membership or has one today, uses that buy limit. I will call an exit out for the Ethereum trade when we're up to this structure. You will do about 28%. Okay, you will do about 28%. I put literally at 2250, which is right down here, I put around $49,000 into the market, not all in just Ethereum, but I'm going to be doing about 70% profit on the trades that I set up down here, and I called this out in Telegram too. This is how our account is doing so ridiculously well. Okay, if you guys are watching this, and when I show you when I'm injecting money into my accounts, if you want to follow that, you can. Okay, we are doing well, and this is super awesome, and we're almost cresting over to this $141,000 mark here, which is pretty insane, which is almost pushing it up at $23,000 in the last 10 days. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Get the metrics and the indicators and the membership. Membership and indicators. Once you have those 2, everything else unlocks for you guys, and you can copy everything. If you have any questions, we're not just a YouTube channel. We literally are a community. So email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. And I literally have a team, myself, Travis, Jake, and Josh. We're a team here to help you guys with anything you need. So email us, betradeconfident@gmail.com. And we're here for you guys. God bless you. Have an amazing day. This is getting super exciting. And I would put some money in altcoins, not a financial advisor. And click those links in the description and set the indicators and membership up today. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.